Hey guys, welcome to Tech Rovers. So here today we're going to be seeing an unboxing and starting video of the Raspberry Pi 4 with 8 GB RAM. So I have bought the basic kit. The starter kit was out of stock, so I bought the basic kit and bought the keyboard and mouse separately in a combo buy, and the adapter and the face scan separately. So let's get started with unboxing the Raspberry Pi first. So here we got the Raspberry Pi 4. So let's open it. So there are some manuals and stuff. Let's keep it aside. And this is the Raspberry Pi 4. This is the processor, and either these should be the RAM. So now let's keep this aside and open the case. So this is the official case which came in the basic kit. You just press this to open, and here is the grip for the Raspberry Pi to not move. So we just first stick the grip down here. Let's just leave that and just put the Raspberry Pi into the case. So align these with this hole just like so, and now we take the case. It's case fan, it's your wish. I'm gonna put the case fan, and here is the heat sink for it. Just push it out and stick it on the processor just like so. Just keep this stuff aside, and now we place the case fan like this. Press it a bit and insert it into the slots over here, and it's done just like that. Now we need to put these pins inside these slots. So here itself it's given where we need to put. So as you see over here, we put the red and black like so in the second and third pin over here, and the blue wire into the fourth pin over here, just like so. So now we just insert the case in. So it's done. So this is the Raspberry Pi in the case. So now here is the loops card, and loops card actually has a full form which I don't know, I forgot. So we insert it in this micro SD card slot. This already has Raspberry Pi OS inside this, Raspbian, which is called Raspbian inside this. So we just insert it just like so. That's it. Now here we got a sticker in this, and adapter to make it into a SD card converter, and this is C type to micro USB type converter. You can use it for the charging here, but we have got the official charger out here which is C type, so we don't need that. If you want, you can just use this and use your own charger, which is a micro USB type charger. So let's just in this and screw this in and keep this aside. Now we have unboxed the Raspberry Pi. This is the micro HDMI to HDMI cable, this is the HDMI for your display, and this is the micro HDMI. Here is the micro HDMI port. As you can see, you put it here and connect this to your display. So let's just keep this stuff aside. Now we can unbox a keyboard. So this is the official Raspberry Pi keyboard and hub. This actually has 3 extra ports, USB ports here in this. So here it is. This is the USB connected to the Raspberry Pi. Let's just keep this aside first. Now open the keyboard. So yeah, this is the keyboard. This is actually good. It's good if you're used to laptop keyboards. This is quite nice, small and good. The only thing is that I feel this should be made big. The arrows made big. Yeah, so these has 3 USB ports which you can use extra. So if you connect it to the Raspberry Pi, it gives an extra 3-port access. If you put any USB or something like that, it can be detected by the Raspberry Pi. So let's just keep the keyboard aside now. Now we have the mouse. Raspberry Pi official mouse. This is the official mouse. Small, compact and mini mouse. Of course, not suitable for gaming. This is a simple mouse for normal browsing and stuff which you can use. So let's just keep this aside. Now let's boot the Raspbian from the Raspberry Pi 4. So guys, I've got the monitor. This is a Vega monitor, so I've used a Vega to HDMI converter and HDMI coupler to connect this HDMI cable. So let's first now let's just connect it. So yeah, now we can just power this Raspberry Pi. You can hear the fan sound as the fan is running. Now monitor. Let's just connect the keyboard and it has opened. So let's just connect the keyboard. The mouse. I'm gonna connect it through these USB ports to show that this will work. See, the mouse is working. So the Raspbian OS has opened. So let's just click next. Country, India. Language, English. time zone. Okay, next. So it's gonna change the time. Let's set the time. Okay, now let's just enter the password. Type it again. Okay, and then click next. So black border, black borders in the edge. I don't want the black borders in the edge, so let's just click next. I'm searching for networks. So here is okay, I'm gonna skip this setup. I'm gonna click next for checking the updates. Almost downloaded. The system is up to date. Okay. Set up to date, run applications, click on it. Let's restart. So new settings. Okay, I'm gonna restart it now. Okay. Now our Raspbeam is up and running. We can try to go to web. It's loading. Chromium. So youtube.com. Now we can search Rovers. So here is our channel, Rovers with 2 videos right now. Let's go to our Twitter. We can see that it's now set up and running. Thanks for watching, guys. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.